Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sayon and you are watching All About Hills. So guys, today's topic is all about the best winter treks in India. Let's go ahead to the video. If you like everything about winters, like knee-deep snow, the brilliance of white sparkling in the sun, the frozen lakes and the icy mist on the trees, the time has come to plan your winter trek for the coming season. The mountain summons all nature lovers with their beauty, something that only increases in the depth of winter. So you know you want to go, just not sure where you should go trekking this winter season. Here are the top winter treks for you, so let's go ahead. The first one is Bramtal Trek. The number of days of the trek is 6 days. The grade is easy. The altitude is 12,600 feet. The region is Lohajang and Uttarakhand peaks. The peaks which is visible here is Trishul, Nandagunti, Chokhamba, Nilkant, Kamet, Hathi and Ghora peaks. The treks is available in November, December, January and February also. The next one is Chadar Trek. The number of days of this trek is 9 days. The grade is moderate to difficult. Altitude is 11,200 feet. The region is Leh Ladakh and best time to visit this trek is January to March. After that, the third one is Kedarkantha Trek. Number of days is 5. Grade is easy. Altitude is 12,500 feet. The region is Sangri and Uttarakhand. The peaks are visible from here is Bandarpunj, Sagar Rahini, Black Peaks and Gangotri, Yamunotri and Kinnar Kailash mountain ranges. The fourth one is Kuwadi Pass Trek. The number of days of this trek is 5 days. The grade is easy. Altitude is 12,716 feet. The region is Josimath, Uttarakhand. Peaks visible from here is Chokhamba, Mount Kamet, Nilkantha and Bhagirathi 1, 2 and 3. The best time to visit to get the enjoyment of winter trek on Kuwadi Pass is March to May and September to December as well as. The fifth one is Harkidun. The number of days is 5 days. Grade is also easy. The altitude is 11,482 feet. The region is Sangri, Uttarakhand. The peaks are visible from here is Sagar Rahini, Jaundhar Glacier and Bandarpunj also. This trek is available for winter enjoyment in October, November, December, March and April. The next one is Nagtibba Winter Trek. The number of days is 3 days. The grade is easy. Altitude is 3,002 meters. The region is Patwari, Uttarakhand. Peaks are visible from here is Sagar Rahini, Bandarpunj, Srikant and Black Peak. This trek is available in October, November, December and January. Next one is Panwali Kantha Trek. This trek is of 4 days. The grade is also easy. The altitude is 11,500 feet. The region is Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Peaks are visible from here is the complete range of Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath mountain peaks. The best time to visit for winter treks is December end to January. The next one is Daira Bugyal Trek. The number of days of this trek is 4 days. The grade is also easy. The altitude is 12,300 feet. The region is Uttarkasi, Uttarakhand. Peaks visible from here is DKD and Bandarpunj. This trek is available in November, December, January, February and March as well as. The next trek is Marga Valley Winter Trek. The number of days for this trek is 9 days. The grade is moderate and the altitude is 4,050 meters. The region is Hemis National Park, Ladakh. Peaks are visible from here is Kangyatse 1 and 2, Zozongo, Stock Kangri and the best time to trek Marga Valley is December and January. The next one is Snow Leopard Trek. The number of days is 10 days. Grade is moderate. Altitude is 4,300 meter. Region is Ladakh and Spiti. Best season for this trek is mid-November to mid-March. The next one is Deuriatal Chandrasila Trek. Difficulty in winter is easy to moderate. Highest altitude is 12,083 feet. Duration of this trek is 6 days and this trek is available in November, December, March and April as well as. The next one is Mukta Top. Difficulty in winter is moderate. The highest altitude of this trek is 11,838 feet. The duration of this trek is 6 days and this trek is available in November and December. The next one is Sandakphu Trek. Difficulty in winter is moderate. Highest altitude of this trek is 11,950 feet. The duration of this trek is 7 days. This trek is available in October, November, December, January, February, March, April. The visible mountains from Mount Everest is Kanchenjunga, Lhotse and Makalu, the 3rd, 1st, 4th, 5th highest peaks in the world. The last one is Sinj Valley Trek. This trek difficulty in winter is easy to moderate. The highest altitude is 6,890 feet. The duration of this trek is 2 days. This trek is available in January, February and March, and the base camp of this trek is Sangha, which is at Mandi. So this all was for today. Thank you.